Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? This is the live price prediction of Dogecoin in June. There is possible today here will hit, my friend, one USD dollar. Absolutely, my friends. What's the target of Dogecoin in June month, my friend? I will tell you completely. Absolutely, Dogecoin is good from long-term investing or not. Everything I discuss you in this video. So kindly, holders, I have one request to kindly don't skip any second of this video and try to understand what I tell you. Please like this video, just on only my brother complete 100 like on this video. Thank you so much for like video, my brother. You can see the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely, my friends, show you to there in the profits. And absolutely, if the change occur will be profit positive, then absolutely they are the price will be profit, my friend, and they will give you a very huge profit. So this time, if you can see, my brother, complete the change occur will be positive, and absolutely the average is also going upward. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to you can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a very huge jump. So exactly, my friend, every graphic currency is moving like that. So therefore I tell you, my brothers, to try to understand, don't sell it, don't see this short fail. A lot of holders doing this mistake to this, see when they see the short fails, then absolutely they decide to this is selling time. But not, my brothers, this is not a selling time. Absolutely, holders doing very big mistake to this starting and this time they coin. So try to understand, just in only, my friends, wait one day more. I hope, my brother, if you are a short-term investor, then wait one day. I hope they will give you very good profit now. So you need to hold more time, my brother, and try to understand, if you are a long-time investor, then exactly Dogecoin is very good coin, my brother. Absolutely, this is very fastest, and there is no time to they will wake up and they will go in the moon. So therefore, it's a very good for all long-term investors. Try to understand, to hold it and wait for the good time. I hope they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.